Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to turn off Facebook likes and comment. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel with notification on because we post content like this. So to get notified for our video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So for this, click on the three line at the top and then scroll down until you see setting and privacy. Click on settings, then you can scroll down until you see public post over here and click on public post. And on public post, as you guys can see, these are the settings. So basically there is no way for you to like completely turn off your comments and likes on Facebook, because Facebook is a social platform and it wants you to interact. So let's say basically if you turn off your comments and likes, then like what's the difference between Facebook and Instagram? Like you can do the same thing in Instagram as well, but not in Facebook, because Facebook is a social platform and the main objective of Facebook is to interact. So there is no way to completely turn off like your comments, but you can switch it like public post comments. You can put it in friends, which means only the friend which you have added as friend can comment on it. Basically only the people which you have added as friend can comment on your post. Yeah, that's the setting you can do. Otherwise what you can do is just go to your post and then individually delete the comment, but there is no way to delete the likes, just remember that. Or you can just tap on this three dot and click on edit privacy, and on edit privacy click on only me, which means this post can only be seen by me. It's like making your photo and videos private. So yeah, that's the way to fix this problem. Sorry, but there's no way to turn off Facebook likes and comment completely. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.